The place boring, my youth.
Yeah, dog, right now I'm hungry and broke, dog. Want to make some money in idea, but I don't know what I do, dog.
Yeah, see boy flex there, you know.
Oh, Flex, how you David?
Yeah, what you do?
What go on?
Just with the money, you know, I got shop and forward.
Ah, mad. You're like a boy money free, you know, dog.
But also something I find, you know. But
Oh, we are going to do it. You know, I see a video on YouTube the other day, dog. It's a thing where, it's a magic trick where you make a thing say you can win the money, but a trick where you go trick a person. You see me? You have a boom buckle over there?
Boom buckle, me have the boom buckle.
Don't worry, man, you know a boom buckle?
No, sir, but me have an intro buckle over there, though.
That can't work. Because I want to put something in there, but the person is supposed to see what's in there, you see me?
Oh.
You have gravel over there?
No, sir, I'm not a gravel.
You know, just be the kitchen in there.
No, sir.
No worry, man, I have some silver in my piggy bank, man. Don't worry yourself,
You see
man.
that can work?
Yeah. Watch you know, the boy is so far from the shop. So just meet back here saying 5 minutes, dog.
Alright.
You see me?
You're supposed to so far there now, man.
You want to see dollar them, man.
Dollar?
You don't?
Oh, you go dollar, my youth?
Don't worry yourself, man. I them I'm safe, man. So, hold up. Come. Hold up.
You sure this is going to work, my youth?
Don't worry yourself, man. It can work, man.
I'm putting the dollar them in my purse.
Alright. Just come here. Yeah, man. Hold it, kind of feel loose, dog.
You never say to yourself that you never want to pay better than that.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. I hope it hold, you see me? Yeah, man, I hit that, man.
So him takes a long for forward, man.
Yeah, boy, come.
Yo, make sure that I drop off the hand in them.
Good, man, good.
Yo, you hear it? Yeah, D, we're not going to do it.
Forward, man, forward now, yard.
Ah, that's the word, not forward. CJ, you're sure that I drop off the hand now, you? Alright.
We're not going to do it. Yeah, man, like a frost, dog.
We have a bag of money, you know.
Yeah, me
there,
money, man.
man.
Forward, I take
Yeah, man, come in, man.
How many man am I going with you, sir?
You know,
I win more money, man. You what you do? When you go and just say mean, man, where are the one?
What you know is a easy chick, you see me?
Yeah.
Mad chick, you see me? It's simple, you know?
Yeah.
Easy for win.
Yeah.
So pretty well one. Something there in one of them buckle here. But I just you for find out which buckle.
Simple thing that, man. So all I know is how you feel, how the money go.
$100.
$100? Alright, let's say I would. So, alright, watch out. First better, see first better. Go on.
Nothing in this, you see me?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. You must get catch. Every time you just give me back the money.
No worry yourself.
Nah, robbing no more.
Just watch your back,
Alright. Yeah. Yeah.
Which one?
I said buckle this, brother. You don't move your buckle, brother.
This?
Yeah. Bomba! Bomba. I want one.
Don't worry yourself, man. Next bill, 5 bills.
5 bills now. 5 bills? Yeah, man. Come in. Me not joke. Set up and get up.
Put it here.
Set up and get up, man. Ready?
Right.
Alright.
Nothing.
Alright, see, alright, you know that, ready?
Done. Fix it.
What, brother? Joking. See, the inner set there. What, what?
Nothing.
No, you have more money?
You know no more money. Where
Yeah,
money?
man, more money, man. Watch it now. More money. Drop off from me under.
What?
So far. That's
We are going. Sitting.
far.
So far, man.
Make him
Change
change.
him and go from alright.
I don't understand.
Too forward, man. I want to hear my youth. Man, too forward.
Me there, sir, me there.
Drop it, forward.
Yo, me a forward.
I want to go my youth.
You dog, get a pop off that. Just don't make him come around, sir. Don't make him come around, sir. You see me? Go on.
What one?
Man, they on a phone call, man. So forward, my youth.
That man takes a long my time and my money more to win back, brother.
So if you are jumping, I want to win back your money, brother.
I want to my youth.
Him so forward, man. You can't win more, my youth. I want to move, so.
Yo, what you know? Never want to shut up.
So we are go. Man, are so forward.
So far, shut up.
Yeah.
Man, what want you say, brother?
No, I want me to tape up, dog.
Man, what can I hand you a tape for, brother?
Dog,
No,
just be
brother.
the man.
No, brother. What we are doing to my youth? What?